Good morning, folks. Kent Otott here at Concordia Chevy. This is a Concordia AutoMart vehicle. It's a Ford F250 Super Duty Super Cab. That means in GM parlance, it's an extended cab. Kind of the middle of the road package. Good looking truck. The body is in very great shape for the age and everything. It was, it is a used truck. You look back here in the bed. They got the spray-on bed liner here. You got a ball hitch there. It does look like they used it for work, but it's not beat up too badly. Okay, it's in better shape than I am. Receiver hitch, trailer-like hookups there. I'm starting this video on the outside because pulling myself up into this truck is, it needs some steps, and you may want to consider steps, and we can put steps on. But we haven't yet because a lot of people want their own stuff. You got the trailer mirrors there. You have a nice place to put tools and stuff, or put your shorties back there. You got a family, they can fit there. Now let's drag myself up in here. Excuse me while I get up here. I'm going to turn the radio off because I don't want YouTube giving me a strike because of some copyright violation, because we know they're run by morons there. But you have little spots here, one for sunglasses, two for sunglasses. So how about that? The dash is in good shape. The seats are in great shape. I do not know where this came from yet. I don't know the story on this truck, but it's in good shape. We're 168,698 miles on the odometer. But you have just a lot of nice things. This is an aftermarket radio, and I'm not familiar with that. So if you have questions about it, we're gonna have to Google something, okay? You have the little auxiliary things. You have cup holder down there. That's pretty snazzy. The center console will come up. Those are my glasses. I don't want any glare, but there's a remote control for the radio system. How about that? Now we know. But this middle console will come up, so you got something for date night, or you can haul 3 midgets in the back and 3 people up front. Don't know what else to show you in this truck. Let's see here. 4-wheel drive, 2 high, 4 high, 4 low. What do we got here? There's your cigarette lighter. Here is your trailer brake controller. Your controls for your AC. The air is nice and cool. Oh, look at that. We have items for the sink, but with the aftermarket radio, that may be a different item. So, beautiful truck for a Ford. Everybody knows that I'm a GM fan, but I've sold quite a few of these. This is in our Concordia AutoMart inventory, but if you want to see it, it's here at Concordia Chevy right now. It may make a trip over to Beloit. I'm not for sure. 168,698 miles on it. That's not bad for one of these trucks, and it's in very good shape. The interior is in great shape. The exterior is in good shape. The bed's been used, but that's okay. We all know we go through life, and there's times we do get used, and we do show it. But this truck, we've had it through the shop. The boss drove it for a couple days. I'll give it a thumbs up. I'll probably borrow it to go get some items. There is a little chip in the windshield that has been filled. Other than that, you got a very, very nice truck. So you need to give me a shout here. The Concordia Chevy phone number, 785-243-4380. 243-4380. My cell phone number, 785-243-8656. Ask about this 2011 Ford 3/4 ton Super Duty extended cab, super cab pickup. I think we can make a super deal for you. Take care, and as always, have a great day.